Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, big move yesterday, the whole day basically, green candles, oscillators pointing to the upside. Technically, we're still below the moving averages, so we are essentially in a downtrend. There is structure just above us, and you can see the bears are trying to sell off it. That's 107.536 or 107.500. And that's a key level to watch, because that would set up a double bottom if we get above it and build a base above there. But we are below the moving averages, so just keep that in the back of your mind as we go through the levels. When we start looking at the 3 hour, we're still below the 150 EMA, so trending down. But for me, I said yesterday, this is one big range that we're in. So we're at weekly levels here at the downside, so I don't really see us plummeting through this. And we've got a whole lot of economic data coming out this week, so we're just hovering, we're waiting for that data. And if you get down to the hour, you'll see that was a pretty solid one-sided move back above the moving averages, moving average crossover brewing, so there is potential for a setup to the upside. And what we need to do here is just pay very close attention to some levels. So I just want to get the most logical one in, which is this one at 107.310. And then you have one which is also just as logical, a little bit further down at 107.280. So moral of the story for today is quite simple. We need to hold 107.310. That means we stay above the moving averages. Then I want us to get to 107.536, probably pull back, come and test one of these two highs of yesterday, and then get another bit of another long in, sort of buying in to anticipate a break of 107.536. That's kind of a view that I've got this morning, and it's looking interesting. I have a feeling the economic data is going to support it. And if we just get down to 15 minutes, for as long as we stay above the moving averages here, there's a good, strong possibility that we're going to move to the upside. Now, just bear in mind that this level here is crucial, 107.536. So, that is your take profit area as well. But once we're above it and we start building a base there, then you've got a setup for longer term longs. And that's kind of what we're waiting for at the moment. So I am anticipating, let's go back to the weekly, that we are bouncing off this weekly support, and more than likely over the next 2 weeks going to be aiming back for 108.850. So that's kind of the range that we've found ourselves in this year. And obviously it's going to take a lot of effort to break through that range, either to the downside or to the upside. So this is kind of the setup that we're seeing. It's still only the beginning of the week, so this needs to be green by the end of the week, and then you'll probably find it follow through. But that's kind of my view for today. You can see on the daily as well, oscillators grip the downside, two big engulfing candles off that weekly support. So that just brings in the next level into play. So that's 107.536. Get above it, build a base. You've got a fairly decent trade up until 107.900. Get through that, then you're heading for the top of the range. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Just be very cautious about this. Don't just jump in and forget about it. Jump in, put a stop loss in, and then forget about it. But put your take profit in as well. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.